Good evening to everyone present here. I am Likith from EC department. Today's topic is photosynthesis. Growth and development of the crop result for the interaction of various psychologies process, namely photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration and translocations. These are the basics for crop yield. Photosynthesis, a channel, a chemical reaction. Photosynthesis is the main process which appears in the plant. Autotropic process. Plants and like organism algae make their energy glucose from sunlight, store as carbohydrate in their bodies. Photosynthesis is considered as the most important biological process. Why? Makes organic molecules glucose out of inorganic materials like carbohydrate, carbon dioxide, and water. It begins all from gain waves, thus, all is supported by this process. It also makes oxygen gases. Photosynthesis starts to be a ecological food web where sun is the source. Zebra obtains the energy by eating the grass. Plants such as grass use energy to make their own food. The lion is eaten by the zebra. What do plants need for photosynthesis? Water, carbon dioxide, light, chlorophyll. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means putting together with light. Plants use sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into glucose, glucose kind of sugar. Plants use glucose as food for energy and as building block for growing. Phototrophs have glucose and heterotrophs have consumers of it. There are two types of photosynthesis. In inorgan Anorganic photosynthesis, it is a phototropic process of biogate anaerobics where light energy is captured and converted to ATP. Without the production of oxygen, water is not used as an electron donor. Oxygenic photosynthesis is the most common and seen in plants, algae, and bacteria. It is a non-cyclic photosynthesis electron chain where water is initially the electron donor and it consequences molar oxygen is fed as a byproduct. This is the chemical reaction of photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy give rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2. When carbon dioxide and water is mixed up with sunlight presence, absorbed by the chlorophyll, glucose named as starch is given as the output. Significance of photosynthesis. Green plants process the green pigment chlorophyll which can capture, transform, dislocate and store energy which is readily available for all forms of life on the planet. Photosynthesis is a process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy. Except green plants, no other organism can directly utilize solar energy to synthesize food. Hence, here are the dependent on green plants for their survival. During photosynthesis, oxygen liberated into the atmosphere makes the environment livable for all abiotic organisms. Plants and plant products are the major food sources for almost all organisms on earth. Fossil fuels like coal, gas, and oil represent the photosynthetic product of plant belonging to the early geological periods. When the light is fed back to the plant, and even carbon dioxide through the nature, oxygen is produced as the output of the plant, where roots gain the water. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.